Starting a conversation with someone new, especially a guy, can be nerve-wracking. But with a little preparation and confidence, you can have a successful and enjoyable conversation. Whether you're looking to make new friends or pursue a romantic relationship, here are some tips to help you get started. Tip number 1. Find common ground. Look for shared interests or experiences that you can discuss. For example, if you're both at a concert, ask the guy about his favorite band or the songs he's most looking forward to hearing. Tip number 2. Ask open-ended questions. Ask questions that require more than a simple yes or no answer. This will encourage the guy to share more about himself and keep the conversation flowing. Tip number 3. Be genuine. People can tell when you're not being authentic, so be yourself and show a genuine interest in the conversation. Ask follow-up questions and actively listen to the guy's responses. Tip number 4. Show your sense of humor. A good sense of humor can help break the ice and make the conversation more relaxed and enjoyable. But be mindful not to make jokes at the guy's expense. Tip number 5. Be confident. Confidence is key when starting a conversation with a guy. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile. You don't need to be overly aggressive, but being assertive will help put the guy at ease. Tip number 6. Use body language. Nonverbal cues, such as smiling and nodding, can help convey your interest in the conversation and make the guy feel more comfortable. Remember, starting a conversation is just the first step. Building a relationship takes time and effort, so don't be discouraged if the conversation doesn't go exactly as you hoped. Keep trying and you'll improve with practice. If you're interested in learning more about communication and relationships, check out the ebook link below. If this information was useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.